Kaskulba Nehu kalapadiang ban Pynlong ka International Music Fest haka arpo artrek unai wing hakaba lightly ki kunhun nong temba paunam na Myanmar, Indonesia bat Singapore rengkat berka kunhun colors na Shillong kin pinsawa jam da kisur bathiang haki lom bat kithem kanong ba Shillong. Kani kalumpung le kemen kanong haka Convocation Hall Nehu nadu kapor saw baje hadu kharwe baje menmet. Amdan kambai rung henrei de bandan kipas bat ka Nehu ID. Amsha ban ra secret kiat ni kitiar ki banap hapo lumpung le keman ki kunho nong tam hakte ka jan miet kilong MRTV Modern Music Band Myanmar, Rio Rhythm Indonesia, Linjing Band Singapore but colors na Shillong yakani ka Music Fest lawan ra da katanat ki kam korbari ka sarkar India but ki te ki ri ka South East Asia kumshi benta na ka program phai khmat shamingi Looking East jong ka sarkar India.
So very good morning to everyone. Because it's event that is happening after a very long time, and we never had a kind of international music festival in our university. For the first time probably in many years we are holding one, and this is sort of promoted by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Shankar Shukla in connection with Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi, especially Asean division of the Ministry of External Affairs. Joint Secretary Mr. Horsch is the in charge of this festival, and under their care and guidance, Northeastern Hill University, along with our cultural partner Shehar India, we are holding this international music festival. And this festival is unique in many reasons because going by the Act East policy, Northeastern Hill University is supposed to receive students and researchers from Asean nations. We are also supposed to build up a kind of an intellectual, cultural basis for promoting Act East policy in terms of soft diplomacy and in terms of also showcasing biodiversity, the rich ethnic cultural vignette of northeast of India. As part of that, Ministry of External Affairs has chosen Nehu to be the place, which is a matter of pride for us, that Nehu has been considered as a university to be showcased before Asean nations.